Hello everyone, Promin Partner here with the great news. On the 10th of the March, new application of Glovo will launch. New features, an improved interface and even more convenience for you. Let's go through the changes and look at all details together. Let's start from the beginning. What do you need to do the first? You have to download the application on the 3rd of the March, and booking will be opened from the 3rd of the March to the 9th and also from the 10th of the March to the 17th. And also in that time, you can reserve the sessions for the first week of the work with this new application. Thursday, 13th of March, from 4 p.m., you can start booking sessions for the following week from 17th of the March to March 23rd. Login and password. If you don't receive any message from Glovo, you can go into the App Store or Play Market and download the application Glovo Rider. The application will be available a week before the release date. So if you do not receive any messages about the password, try to click on Forgot Password and you will receive the link in your phone number. Explaining key sections, menu management. Here you will find all details about your profile, shifts and earnings. Refresh button, very useful when you are waiting the orders or during the delivery if your phone is freezing. Status. If you are offline, you will not get any orders. If you are online and your shift is active, you can wait for orders. Support. Contact support to get some help and request some breaks. Also, navigation. You will need it to update your geolocation. Next is the available sessions. You will need it for booking available work hours. Rating. Access to the shift calendar depends your level from 1 to 12. Next one is the profile. There you can find all information such as the number, email address, courier ID, etc. In the section available shifts, you can see the hours which you can book, and my shifts, you can see the already booked sections. In the section incoming messages, you can see the messages from Glovo. And the next point is that recent deliveries. There you can see the whole story of your deliveries in the last 24 hours. Wallet shows your cash orders and your cash balance. Payments reports on Glovo earnings. Promotions, active bonus programs for completing orders and your progress. Invite a friend if you have a friend in your city with a referral link in application. Statistics, key performance metrics and courier rating. Training materials. There you can find all answers for the most popular questions. Privacy policy, information about protection of your personal data, terms and conditions is a section with the cooperation terms. My profile section. You can update there your number, your password, your email address, and also you can find a referral link to invite your friends. A very important information. If you do not have access to your phone number, you will not able to recover your account in Glovo. If you have questions, please contact us via Promin Partner bot.